Those are all buffaloes, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, it is 71 degrees, which means the asphalt is over 100. We can't rock the winter tires anymore because the rubber's too soft. We don't want them to burn out. We want good, long-lasting life out of these winter tires. They are expensive after all. I'm super excited because I still haven't seen the summer wheels with the drilled rotors yet. Obviously, I got the brake upgrade after I burned through my old rotors, warped those. So we got the new ones on, but guys, I'm so excited. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2013 S5. I like to modify it, all that business. These aren't new wheels or anything. These are the ones that you guys have seen on the channel before, but I'm just so excited because I have gone months without seeing them on this car. So it's gonna be a fun day. We're gonna get down and dirty, change them ourselves. By the way, thank you guys so much for the support on last video. It was so much fun. That DDE Tire Slayer, obviously, like one of the coolest driving experiences I have ever had. That'll be all for the intro. Let's rip to the shop and see where today takes us, shall we? Kevin, why are you in the Jeep? Well, there were no jack stands available at the shop, so I figured I'm gonna go get a couple because it's an investment. I'm gonna use them in the future, and I'm honestly in quite a hurry today. So just one more thing we weren't really expecting today, but hey, it's a beautiful day for a drive, and I'm not complaining. We're gonna pick up a couple 3.5 ton stands and get this project underway. So sorry for the delay, everybody, but it's coming along. It's coming together. The Zuma is coming out to play because the weather is beautiful, and I got a new toy. Look at this. Ugh. All day long, baby. Jeep numero uno, numero dos, and numero tres. It's a Tuesday, did I mention that? You can have fun on Tuesdays. Thing sounds like a leaf blower. Woo! Now I just need a Bud Light right here. This car said, wait, he said, hey, see ya. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, taking out the toys for a little spin. He tried taking it. Man tried taking the Zuma, but had no key.
It was like I hit the start button and it didn't do anything.
We gotta get a detail on the Zuma. It's looking a bit filthy. I wish we could do a POV Zuma drive, because unfortunately you need 2 hands to operate this bad boy. This is also a grocery bag holder. It's got a cup holder. So many cool gadgets on this thing. High beams, quick tour of the Zuma. You got your right blinker, left blinker, off. This is your engine start. Engine cut, adjustable mirrors, sup. Man, if you guys watched my skiing videos, you know that this is exactly where we stayed by this pink lift for a little tailgate session. But as you can see, there's no more snow. So taking the opportunity to whip the toys around a bit. Gonna throw the drone up again and get some more footage because this is literally the ski hill. I don't know, what is it, like 2 months ago? We were here, 3? Check this out. Zuma fits in the Jeep, ladies and gentlemen. Taking her back to school as the weather is gorgeous. Another shorts and t-shirt day. It's gonna get up to 81 today. Wheels on. Oh, looks so much better with the wind. I almost said winter wheels, summer wheels. They are filthy right now, so I gotta get a wash on, actually the entire car, but the wheels and suspension are actually getting an update here shortly. Spoiler alert, we're coming down and we're coming out. So this is no longer gonna be looking like this. Honestly, like one of the biggest things that I want done to this car is the suspension. So stay tuned, it's happening. And of course, also over here, we got the Zuma. Sorry, it's really windy. I hope you guys can't hear that. Ooh. We are ready, ladies and gents. Freaking excited. It is car season with the Summers. Ugh. Thank you guys very much for watching the entire video. If you guys are new, we are almost at well, I shouldn't say almost. We're like 800 subscribers away from 5,000. So that's kind of a cool milestone. Hit subscribe if you're new, like the video, and until next time, adios.